Balkan lynx, it is a subspecies of the Eurasian lynx. Ironically, the conservation status of the Eurasian lynx is least concern. Despite its rarity, the Balkan lynx is North Macedonia's national symbol and is even found on the reverse side of the country's 5 dinar coin. In 2006, a recovery program called the Balkan Lynx Recovery Program was set up to protect both the Balkan lynx and its North Macedonian and Albanian habitats. Male lynxes seem to be tolerant of one another, which is unusual in big cats. Lynkestis, an ancient land that covered what is now part of Greece, Albania, and North Macedonia, translates as Land of the Lynx. The Balkan lynx is a medium-sized cat with black-spotted grey or reddish fur, long whiskers, and a ruff framing its round face. The body is 31.5 to 51.2 inches in length, and the cat stands 23.6 to 29.5 inches at the shoulder and weighs between 39.6 and 55 pounds. The tail, as is true of all lynxes, is stubby. The ears are famous for their tufts. And since the cat's tail is so short, it uses its ears to communicate. It has long legs for its body, large, padded feet that help it move over snowy landscapes, and retractable claws. Males tend to be bigger and heavier than females. Balkan lynxes are solitary and only come together to breed. However, the populations are so isolated that even this may be difficult. They are crepuscular and nocturnal, which means they hunt in the evening and at night and rest during the day. At night they travel from 0.62 to 28 miles in search of prey. Both males and females claim territories, with the males having larger territories that encompass those of females. Female lynxes often have territories that overlap with those of their daughters. The Balkan lynx is found in the forests of Albania and North Macedonia and has been spotted in the north of Greece, Montenegro, and Kosovo. The forests can be made mostly of deciduous trees, conifers, or a mix of both. Specifically, Balkan lynxes are found in Albania's Shebanik Jablanis National Park, Nikai, Murta Protected Area, Strivai Protected Area, and the Munela area. They are also found in Mavruvo National Park in North Macedonia. The diet of the lynx is made up largely of rabbits and hares, but the animal is strong enough to take down deer, including roe and musk deer, when it can't find its usual prey. The lynx will also take sheep. The Balkan lynx eats between 2.2 and 5.51 pounds of meat every day. The greatest threat to this rare animal is human activity, though it has been protected for years and there's at least one recovery program. It is still poached for its lustrous fur. Hunters have also decimated the population of the lynx's traditional prey of chamois, deer, and hares. Deforestation and the illegal dumping of refuse have also put pressure on the lynx's population and its ability to reproduce. While the lynx is the apex predator in much of its range, it is occasionally killed by wolves. They are also vulnerable to parasites such as trichinella and toxocara. The breeding season of the lynx is between February and the middle of April. Reproduction is not only made challenging because the populations of lynx are so far apart but because estrus only lasts 3 days in the female. Moreover, if she produces a litter 1 year, it will be 3 years before she has another one. If she does manage to mate, she gives birth to usually 2 or 3 kittens after a 69-day pregnancy. The kittens weigh about 0.66 pounds each. Though they are weaned when they are about 4 months old, they stay with their mother for 10 months before they've developed the skills to become independent. The fathers do not help raise the kittens, and most kittens don't survive to adulthood. Female lynxes are ready to breed when they are about 2 years old, and males are ready when they are about a year older. The lynx can live as long as 25 years in the wild.